You can look at her real close when you get your close up.
Yeah, but I don't know what I'm looking at. Top of your head or the head. Oh, down your bra. I don't want to do that.
Ready?
You gonna go first this time, Linda?
Oh, come on, you should.
Yeah.
Well, then I got something special for you.
There she is. Oh, look at that. I love a woman with a talent.
Then you said it's not long enough for you.
Yeah.
Well, it's getting closer. So.
I'm not doing anything to
Oh.
my goal is to get a
Okay. That's everyone's goal. You can have fun doing it.
Okay, so I'm holding on to the black one this time?
Black on this side.
Oh. And I'm turning same.
Everything's the same. Check!
Okay, oh golly, oh
Go
this.
ahead.
You're doing
Go,
great.
Linda.
Lean back. Lean back. Straighten out your arm, Linda. Lean back.
Oh, she is. She's cranking up on her arms. That's probably why it's so hard. Get her elbow up there.
Oh, yeah.
She's hanging on for dear life.
She's turning. She's not
Turn.
She's not turning.
Oh, she's not
He'll stop
turning.
her.
Coming backwards is the easiest.
But going straight backwards
Is
is
it?
not hard. So.
Easiest. Bring your knees up and you just slide right up.
Yeah.
Forward is even worse because you can end over.
Gee, that's something good to look forward to.
Ready?
Okay, Elisa.
They're gonna just run off this one and not go down this one.
Check. Back it up.
Yeah. Just
There
run.
she goes. What a dare woman. Woo-hoo! There she is. Awesome. There she goes. And up. She does that so slick. So slick. I should be able to do that. She's my kid, right? If she can do it, I can do it, right?
Yeah,
Isn't
you
that how
made
it
her.
works?
Yeah, you made her. You could do it better.
You know?
You're the original.
I taught her everything I know, but now she's teaching me.
Oh, she's just guiding you. She ain't teaching you.
Ooh.
Ready? Hang on here. Walk up to the front. Oh, okay. Go ahead. Hold the blue. Hold on to the blue. There you go.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Run, run!
There it is. All right, very nice. You can drop your hands. Thank you very much.
Oh, no, thank you.
Yeah.
You can let go. He's got that.
There you go. Yeah. There you go.
Is this
You're all
me?
set.
That's
Nope,
you.
That's
Okay.
me.
Here, let's watch Ethan.
Okay.
Quick. Yeah. Just send another one.
Has anybody ever not made it to the platform?
Yeah, it happens. Check it. Usually, like when we have a strong headwind, it's the wind that blows against you when you're going along. But
There you
it
go.
most commonly happens to like little kids, or like
Oh, great.
yeah. All right, run it up.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at the grin on that guy. All right.
That's a special one. Sit down like a boss. Hold that right there. Thank you very much. Thank you. Quick.
What do you do when that happens?
We got to do